Let's do a quick market recap of the trades I took yesterday. Right now, let's start with volatility 100. As you can see, this is the trade when I got in. This is the setup when I got in. So when you pay attention, you see this is an ascending channel. If you know anything about trading, you know what I mean by ascending channel. A series of higher highs and higher lows, which says the market is going up. So I took a buy. I was aiming for 3% return, and I had my stop loss here. This was my entry. And unfortunately for me, this trade didn't work out. I lost this one. So let me show you the aftermath. So this is how the market collapsed. My target was up here, so it didn't get to my target. This is the ascending channel, and I lost 1%. Let's move to the second trade. Yeah, here is the second trade. This is volatility 75. Just like the other one, this was actually a fresh trend, but it didn't work out. It didn't go as planned. I got in around here, had my stop loss below this level, and I was aiming for this place 3%. I was aiming for 3%. And unfortunately for me, the market didn't go as planned. It collapsed also. Does this mean that my trading strategy is bad? No, absolutely not. If you understand variance and probability, you know that this is normal. Okay, losing is part of the game. And how I was able to manage these losses to the point that it didn't affect me was I never actively focused on them. Okay, I was never paying attention on those trades. Like I told you, set an alert on your stop loss zone, set alert on your take profit or your break even zone, and remove that chart from your side. That's what I did, and I was able to manage my emotions because I didn't even see anything. Only when the actual stop loss got taken out, that's when I got back because I got alerted about it and I had to go and check on that trade. So now let's look at the one that saved the day, step index. So this is a double top setup. That's what I took from this one. I know I'm a trend follower, but sometimes you have to reverse a trend. You have to get in before the actual move starts. So that's what I did here. I took a sell from this resistance zone, and lo and behold, I made 3%, and the market was still dropping. So I could have made more, but I'm okay with my 3%. I'm okay with my 3%. This let me show you the aftermath. So here is the market playing after. What am I even saying? Here is the aftermath. You can see the market kept even dropping. I would have made more money, but I'm okay with my 3%. I use a very strict risk management system. Risk 1%, in for 3%. Nothing more, nothing less. So how was I able to manage this one? Just like the others, I will set my trading alert here and there, and I will leave my chart, and I will go about my day. So in total, I took 2 losses and 1 win, and I have 1%. So this is the power of risk to reward. But if I have a lower risk to reward with a okay win rate, I won't be profitable. Believe me, I won't be profitable because you may be winning, you may be winning all of your trades, most of your trades, but the loss is a kind of drowning your profits. Okay, that's why you see uh, traders that have low win rate but high risk to reward, they take too many losses. but somehow they are making more money than the trader that has a higher win rate and lower risk to reward. So risk to reward is very, very important. I think my win rate is around maybe 30% or 30. It doesn't get past 34%, but somehow I was able to make 100% return just in 3 months. Just in 3 months. Even though I was taking a lot of trade because I know how this game works. You need frequency. That's how trading works. You need frequency for probability to smoothen out. Okay. So stop judging your trade based on 20 setups, 50 setups. You need 100 plus setups. We are not institutional traders, we are day traders. There's a big difference. Okay. So stop like I don't buy into this idea of people that say they take one setup a week. If you have a 30% win rate and you take roughly let's say 2 trades a month, that's a total of 24 trades a year. Imagine you have a 15 losing streak. How are you going to make money? It doesn't make any sense. So if you understand that we are playing probability and we don't have insider information to know where the market is going, that's when you know that you need to take more trades. And that doesn't mean you should get reckless. Okay, you need to take more high quality setups. According to my strategy, I'm able to get trades every day. Every day, believe me, every day.